Today I got this interesting website. It's called the Crowdgen. They offer multiple jobs, and its main target is to train AI. So most of these websites is to train AI, and you can see that get paid to shape the future of AI. So you either improve AI or train the AI. Now, here's some simple things you need to consider. Okay, they offer a lot of jobs, but some of them they are not available in some countries. So what you need to do is that if it's not available in your country, you just simply have to get a proxy. I mean, so I'll show you how to get a proxy, and then before that, let me show you just some simple things. So you can see there are some others that they pay per hour. There are others that they pay per task, and there are other ones that they offer on site. So the ones on site, you'll have to be paid in cash, all right? And there's another one that's one off, just a limited time bonus. So they offer uh different type of jobs. So and it's simple, easy, because you can see just the journey. It's not quite hard, but the first thing is you need to check out the openings and apply directly. Then number two, you just follow they'll send you an email, so you just follow the email instruction to set up your account. And then step number three, you have to pass the qualification, and you'll be given a study guide, and then work in your own schedule and earn money. So you see, in this step number three, you need to do some verification and passing the qualification. So that's the you upload like the documentation IDDL, right? So you need to keep in mind that. And then after that, it's simple, easy. So now let me show you now where to get the proxy. Here is the website that I recommend, the proxy seller. So now, okay, the link is down in the description. Now, let's say you need to purchase a proxy. The ones that I can recommend you go for it is this for ISP proxy. Okay, just go choose the country that you want to choose, but I made a video on this on how to purchase the proxy completely. Check out, and then just get the ISP, or if you need the residential, just go check the residential. But if you're purchasing a proxy, go for the ISP, choose North America, and then choose US if you want to apply the US. All right, just click on that and then come and choose how many quantity do you want. Okay, so you can see if you buy one, it's at 3 USD, so they are pretty cheap. So yeah, it's something that you can consider, and it's something that you can afford. Now let me guide you on how you can apply on this job. So just come and click on the view projects, and then I'll also give you CV. I'll attach it on my website, and then go take the CV, edit the CV. All right, now come and click on okay, it depends with the location that you want to apply, but for me, just choose the US, and then for the project that we're gonna apply is this one, the audio data collection. Just click on apply, and then you can see that here's everything about that specific job. And the things that the task overview, read and record 150 scripted English prompts using the Appen mobile app. Now follow the provided instruction to ensure high quality recordings. This is one-time task, so which means they'll just pay you one time. Okay, and then who can apply? Must be a current resident of the United States and speak English as a second language. So now remember that I told you, if they're just accepting applicants from a specific region, just get a proxy. That's simple. Okay, and then must be able to read English comfortably. Yes, and then must be comfortable reading some sentences that contain sensitive topics, e.g. gender, diversity, all that. All right, and then must be 18 years or older, and then must have an Android smartphone or iPhone. So whichever will work. Must be able to record in a quiet environment, free from background noise. So the pay rate is $60 for a fully completed and quality accepted session consisting of 150 recordings. So at least 90% of your sessions, 135 recordings, must pass quality checks to be eligible for proportional payment. So now it's a one-time job. So once you complete that job, you get paid $60. It's a one-time. Now let me show you how my CV looks like. So here's the sample of the CV, and your CV should look like this. I don't include many colors, just black and white. It's okay, and it will look professional. Just here's everything that you just have. Okay, I'll attach this CV, and then just you can get it on our website just for free, and then go make changes on this website. You just have to change the name, the email address, the phone number, and either the location, okay, and then just some other part like here, just change the name. Okay, some simple thing you need just to change, okay, not everything in the CV, just change the necessary things. Once you get the CV, you've already edited everything. Now go click on apply to that job, then it will take you to this the application form. Now you can see the only things that you really need to put or to fill, the fields that you need to fill is just the email address, full name, and the CV part. Once you attach the CV, this other part will automatically fill it itself, okay? And you don't need to put the LinkedIn or Facebook URL. Just those they are not a must. And here's the application questions. In which country were you born? And in which country are you currently residing? Now, I need you to keep in mind, remember that you are using a proxy. So maybe let's say you are using a US proxy. So now, if you are choosing the country you were born in, you just choose scroll down, just click on the US, and then in which country are you currently residing? Just scroll down. Okay, sorry, scroll down until you find the US, and then in which US state are you currently residing, so, if applicable. So you just have to make sure everything aligns what wrote in the CV and the proxy that you're using, so it shows that you are applying from the US. All right, so don't make a mistake filling out irrelevant answers, okay? But now after that, let me just attach the CV, and you can see that it will automatically fill these other fields. So wait to analyze the resume, then you can see just like that it will automatically fill in the full name, the email address, the phone number, and the current location, right? And then after that, you have to fill out the rest of the part. Desired pay rate, you just choose to be paid anywhere between, let's say, $51 to $6 per hour, it depends. And then available hours to work per week, you can say 40 plus, and then after that, just fill out the other part, highest education level. Remember, fill in what it's in the CV. So if you have stated in the CV that you have a degree, just look for bachelor degrees like that. And then these are the part, additional language, you don't have to fill out that one. Primary spoken language, you just choose English, okay? And then after that, let's see if there's another thing to fill out. Nothing. So you just click on yes, you check out this box, and then you don't have to fill this one because it's not a must. Just look for the ones that have this, okay, has this the red star, okay? Those are the ones that are required. Then after that, guys, you just submit the application. Now what you'll have to do, once you've submitted the application, you give it some few minutes, and then they'll shortlist you for that project that you applied on. Okay, now what you do after this part, once you get the email, first of all, remember, for you to actually create an account, they have to shortlist you first. Until you get this email that they've shortlisted you, now they'll give you a sign up link. So let me just open the link so you can see. They'll give you the sign up form, the email address attached already, so you can't edit the email address. That you can edit the phone number, but the email you can't edit it. So just enter the password and then agree and then next. So now let me do all that, and then I'll show you once we've already registered the account. So once logged in, you'll have to set the authenticator. So let me just put the numbers and then verify. So after that, you can see that this is the dashboard of the account. Now you can see that you can view projects, so you can view multiple projects available for you. You can see this one is at $10 per unit, $2 per hour, 3.01 per unit, so which means this is a simple task. Okay, and you can also view all. So you can go to the project section that you can see projects picked for you. It's this one, and then available projects are this one for the moment. And then for the payment part, you'll have to do some verification first. Confirm your address, verify your phone number, complete tax compliance, US only. And remember that I told you need to have the US fulls, be able to, because they will ask for the SSN and other things. Okay, and then after that, set up withdrawal methods, so local bank, PayPal, and Pioneer, etc. Okay, and then after that, that's your profile, work hours. So that's all about. You can see your work hours at this point. So now, guys, that's how to make an application on Crowdgen. And once you do that, everything will be easy. Just do the project. Okay, just do the project qualifications. Make sure to have a DL or an ID, and then after that, the other part is simple, easy. It's not hard. So see you on the next video. I'll share more important information about online jobs and how to make application on some other sites. See you on the next video.